In this video, I'll be putting two inexpensive Amazon bidets head to head, no pun intended, to see which is better, the Bigcow Slim or the Luxe Neo. I've only owned the Bigcow for a few months, but I have owned the Luxe Neo for 4.5 years. So let's start with the design. To me, the Bigcow Slim looks more modern and streamlined. The Luxe looks fine, but I think the edge goes to the Bigcow. As far as build quality goes, I picked up the Luxe back in April of 2021. It worked well, but it had its first failure after 3 years when the knob broke. And then, at 3.5 years, it began leaking. But considering how inexpensive this was, 3 years seems like a reasonable lifespan. The Bigcow's knob feels solid, the rotation is smooth, controlled, and it has more satisfying clicks. I don't know for sure, but I don't anticipate that this will break the same way the knob broke on the Luxe. By comparison, the Luxe knobs don't have the same satisfying click, the operation isn't as smooth, and they are apparently prone to breaking. The Bigcow also comes with a solid metal T-valve, while the Luxe's is plastic. The Bigcow also came with some plumber's tape, which was nice. As far as function goes, they both offer a rear and feminine wash. I can't speak to the feminine wash, but the rear wash works pretty similarly for both. One difference is the Bigcow seems to create slightly more water pressure on the high end, but I think the pressure from the Luxe is plenty. Here's a comparison of the two bidets. If you're trying to decide between the two, I would personally go with the Bigcow Slim Bidet. I think it looks better and it's actually less expensive than the Luxe.
Check out my link in the description for the most recent price. By using this link, it helps my channel at no extra cost to you.
Let me know in the comments if you've used either of these bidets and have any opinions on which is the best.
Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful and I hope it was concise.